Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts, then you have to tap here, go to its settings, and then select import. Allow, then select contacts from SIM card, for example, because I don't have much contacts on my phone. I have all my contacts on SIM card and I want to transfer them to my phone. Then tap next, then select contacts which you want to transfer. Could be this one, I don't know, maybe this one and this one, and then tap OK. And after that these contacts will appear in my contacts list even without the SIM card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.